The first is the concept of God. Let us understand what is the concept of God in Hinduism. If you ask a common Hindu that how many gods does he believe in, some may say 3, some may say 10, some may say 100, some may say 1,000, while others may say 33 crores, 330 million. But if you ask a learned Hindu who's well versed with the scriptures, he will tell you that the Hindus should believe and worship only one Almighty God. But the common Hindu, he believes in a philosophy known as pantheism. The common Hindu says that everything is God. The tree is God, the sun is God, the moon is God, the human being is God, the snake is God. What we Muslims say, everything is God's. G-O-D with an apostrophe S. Everything belongs to God. The tree belongs to God, the sun belongs to God, the moon belongs to God, the human being belongs to God, the snake belongs to God. So the major difference between the common Hindu and the common Muslim is the common Hindu says everything is God, we Muslims say everything is God's. G-O-D with an apostrophe S. The major difference is only the apostrophe S. If we can solve this difference of apostrophe S, the Hindus and the Muslims will be united. How do you do it? Ta'alaw ila kalmatin sawa'in bainana bainakum. Come to common terms as between us and you. Which is the first term? Allah na'budu illallah. That we worship none but one Almighty God. Let us try and understand what the Hindu scriptures have to speak about Almighty God in Hinduism. Amongst the Hindu scriptures, one of the sacred scriptures are the Upanishads. It's mentioned in the Chandogya Upanishad, chapter number 6, section number 2, verse number 1. It says, Ekam evidityam. It's a Sanskrit quotation which means God is only one without a second. It's mentioned in the Shvetashvatar Upanishad, chapter number 6, verse number 9. Na chasya kasij, janita na chadipa. Of him there are no lords. He has got no master. Almighty God has got no parents. He has got no mother. He has got no father. He has got no superior. It's mentioned in the Shvetashvatar Upanishad, chapter number 4, verse number 19. Na tasya pratima asti, which means of him there is no likeness. Almighty God has got no likeness. It's mentioned in the Shvetashvatar Upanishad, chapter number 4, verse number 20. Almighty God is imageless. No one can see him with his eyes. No one can see his form with these eyes. And the Brahma Sutra of Hinduism is Ekam Braham Dyuta Naste. Nehna Naste Kinchan. Bhagwan ek hi hai, dusra nahi hai. Nahi hai, nahi hai, zara bhi nahi hai. There is only one God, not a second one. Not at all, not at all, not in the least bit. So if you read the Hindu scriptures, you shall understand the concept of God in Hinduism.